Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on entrepreneurship. In this video, we're going to discuss the three key components of building a successful business: building a brand, finding investors, and scaling up. First, let's talk about building a brand. When starting a new business, it's important to establish a brand that represents your company's values and mission. Your brand is essentially the face of your company and how people will identify and remember your business. To build a brand, you need to start by defining your company's core values, mission, and target audience. From there, you can create a unique brand identity that resonates with your audience. Once you have established your brand, the next step is to find investors who can help fund your business. Finding investors can be a challenging process, but there are many resources available to help you. You can start by researching venture capital firms or angel investors who may be interested in your business. You can also attend networking events or pitch competitions to connect with potential investors. When pitching your business to investors, make sure to highlight your unique value proposition and demonstrate how your business can provide a return on investment. Finally, once you have established your brand and secured funding, it's time to focus on scaling up your business. Scaling up involves expanding your operations to increase revenue and profitability. This can involve hiring more employees, entering new markets, or launching new products or services. To successfully scale up your business, you need to have a solid growth plan in place that outlines your goals, strategies, and resources needed to achieve them. In conclusion, building a successful business requires a combination of branding, funding, and scaling. By focusing on these three key components, you can create a strong foundation for your business and set yourself up for long-term success. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.